Well, hello. It is Saturday, November 27th, and this is the first vlog of Vlogmas. I had meant to vlog some of the time when I was with my sisters, but I just didn't get around to it. I am picking it up today, which I am not working. I mean, except for vlogging, but I'm not working. Today I am going to be decorating my house as best as I can because tomorrow I'm streaming and I'd like to get a lot of it done today. My mother-in-law and her brother are in town, but I've escaped all of the people in my house because I'm a little peopled out right now. So I'm going shopping. Weird. And I am actually doing a few errands before I am going to go home and decorate. So my errands are, I need to go to the hardware store. I'm at the Home Depot right now to pick up some liquid nails because a piece, I swear, my sisters come to visit and something breaks in my house, which is totally fine. It happens. But like this time it was a piece, like one of the corner pieces of our flooring by the stairs. And so we just need to, I looked it up online, we just need to use some like hardcore liquid nails to glue it back down again. So that's what I'm picking up here. And then I'm going to go to Michael's to look for some items to make hard candy. Sam from Happily a Housewife was making hard candy, and I was like, you know, that sounds like fun. Maybe I'll do that. It won't be today, but I'm trying to pick some stuff up now before it starts to sell out so that next weekend maybe I can work on it, or maybe during the week. I don't know yet. Pick up some stuff for that, as well as looking to see if there's anything else. I think I need to get a hurricane vase of some sort because I have a whole bunch of little ornaments left from what I did my big tree, which I'll show you when I get back to the house. I didn't film that because it wound up happening over like 4 days in small increments. I've been feeling like crap, you guys. But I need to get something to put some of those ornaments in to put on one of my tables. I need to pick up some D batteries for our Costco wreath so it can light up, and that'll probably be at Target. I need to get a couple other things at Target as well. So it's Michael's, Target, Home Depot, and then I gotta go to Petco to get some more food for Layla. She is finally starting to transition to the food that we want her to be on off of what she started on. And we're gonna put a Chewy order in. We usually get like an auto ship from Chewy, but it wouldn't be here in time. So I need to go get a small bag of it from the pet store. So yeah, errands, and then I'm gonna go home and start decorating. I'm in a good mood. I've had a headache for the last couple of days and it's, fingers crossed, gone. I am gonna be seeing neurology sometime soon to start working on my migraines because apparently one of the transplant medications can make migraines worse, and they want to make sure that I am no longer in as deep as I am right now with my migraines when I get a transplant, so that we're not going from shitty to even shittier. We're going from like pretty decent to somewhat shitty is kind of the thought. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna bring the camera in with me to Home Depot because it's not really my thing. I'll be back. It is 1:24. I went to Home Depot, Michael's, and Target. Did not need, in fact, to go to the pet store because they had the dog food I was looking for. And I managed to get some stuff. Candy flavorings and silicone molds. I got a couple more baking sheets because I had 2 bigger ones and I wanted 2 other bigger ones, and I wanted silicone mats, and Target had a little set that was basically the same price, but it came with a cooling rack. I also got some stocking holders because the stocking holders I got didn't work for our mantle, so I have to return those on another trip, and some other stuff. I might not show you when I get back because I feel a little self-conscious doing that with my mother-in-law here, but in general though, I'm gonna head home, I'm gonna get this all unloaded, and then I will probably get going on decorating. So you can see Layla out there. They're actually sweeping up leaves and Layla's playing. Lulu is nowhere to be found. I am working on putting some of these ornaments from Michael's into this like thing, and I'm gonna put some of these lights in it, and I think that'll be really cute. I guess while I'm at it, I can show you the tree, which is blue and silver. But I think what I'm gonna do is put the vase with the lights on the table there maybe, or maybe over there. And this little guy is from Trader Joe's and lights up as well. So I'm gonna keep that there for now. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on making this thing. My kitchen is a hot mess at the moment. Quick tip that I learned. You don't wanna put the ornaments in first, and you don't wanna put the lights in first. You wanna kind of layer them. It took me a couple of tries to figure this out. So I actually think I'm gonna take this and put it on the front room, on the table in the kitchen, and put this in here because everything in here is this blue and silver, but except for my Nicolas Cage pillow. But in there it's gonna be gold and stuff from my previous decorations. So I think this actually will look better in here. Oh yes, the gallery wall that hasn't happened yet. So I have a bit of a conundrum, as I bought 50 feet of lighted garland to wrap around this banister. The only accessible cord is either here, which means it would block stairs, all the way in the hallway, but you can't even see it, it's like halfway down the hallway, or right down there by the lamp. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I have this white extension I'm just gonna run up, I think. You can tell I've never done this before because I obviously did not account for this. Now I have a real wreath from Trader Joe's I want to hang and cover up that cord right there in the center and to add some, like, you know, wreathy scent to our room. So progress. I've got the wreath up there. That's a real wreath. I think I might get a fake one for next year because it's dropping needles all over the place. And I put that little black and white bow on it that I had from last year because I'm going to put some black and white and gold stuff on the garland. Got my pillows out. And this is where we are with the mantle. New stocking for Layla because we had an L1 for Loki that was green, but we're gonna retire that one. I need something right here. And I'm thinking I might put the little tree that I got, this guy, if it fits. I'm going with white lights everywhere, but the reason I'm thinking about putting this guy up is purely because, no, you know what, if it lights up, it's gonna look stupid, so. I need something to balance it out. But that thing I got because my grandma had one similar to that. I have this guy who had lights on it, but the batteries kind of went down the way of the dodo. Yeah, that works. It's a little busy, but that's how I decorate. All right, I'm gonna get this mess in the kitchen cleaned up and figure out what I'm gonna do with my various items in here. Put some dishes away, etc. Such is life. Well, good morning. It's Monday. I did not wrap up the vlog, and I also did not finish decorating the family tree, so that's going to happen later this week. I just was feeling really crappy, and it didn't happen. I'm gonna end this vlog here though, and I'm excited. First vlog of Vlogmas. I am not gonna vlog today and tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, because not because they're not in December, but because those are the last couple full days my in-laws are here, and it's just really, they would be fine with it, but I get very self-conscious. I'll pick it up on Wednesday, which is my first live stream, and I'm hoping to get the family tree done in those couple of days as well, so hopefully you'll see that soon. So anyway, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Do you struggle when you have house guests? Like, do you struggle having people in your space? And if you do you have anything you use to cope with it? Not use, but like, you know, anything you do to cope with it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, my friends, peace.